How's it going, folks? In this video I will show you how to use a rivet gun. We can look at the example with my storage shed. In general, there are three ways to attach metal or plastic panels together: screws, bolts and nuts, or rivets. Bolt and nut combination can create very strong connection, but they will require two people for installation, one inside the shed and one on the outside, and that takes a lot more time as well. In some cases, you may not even be able to use them if, for example, you can't access the back side of the shed if it's too close to the house wall. In addition, the bolts may be sticking out too much on the inside. Screws may work in most situations, but they will leave sharp points on the inside, and since screws are not going into any wood or other hard surface on the back end, they may not be the most secure or strongest option. Screws may also get loose over time from wind or constant panel movements. Using rivets allows you to attach two panels together very securely and without access to the back side. They also give this very nice and clean look on the outside as well as on the inside. Manual riveting tools could be tiring and time-consuming. If you have a lot of rivets to install on your home project, using a rivet gun could be a game changer. The rivet gun I'm using is made by Von One brand. It's battery operated and has multiple attachments for various rivet types and sizes. I also like that it comes in this nice storage case to keep things always well organized. I've set the tool to automatic mode M1 and on the level 24. You can find the proper settings based on the size of the rivet you're using. Next, you simply find the correct rivet size that works in your particular situation, load it into the rivet gun and press the trigger button. The tool will do everything else automatically for you. As you can see, it's super quick and easy, only takes a few seconds per rivet. If you have a lot of rivets to install, it will make a whole lot of difference. If you're interested how it works, here's the slow motion of the rivet gun operation. It basically grabs onto the shaft in the middle and pulls it inside. That expands the tail end and makes it about 1.5 times wider. At a certain point, the shaft breaks off and the tool retracts and releases it. Alright, I hope this video was helpful, and if so, please give it a like. I will also post links for rivet gun and the rivets down in the description area below. Be sure to check them out as well. Thanks for watching and good luck with your projects.